How to remove someone from Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go ahead and then remove someone from Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to remove someone from Snapchat, it's actually fairly simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application and then just make sure that you're signed in. So now you can just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen to come to your Bitmoji page, and from here you can just go to this option right here that says My Friends. So just tap the My Friends option here, and over here you will be able to see a list of the friends that you want to remove. So assuming you want to remove someone, you can just select them and then tap their profile there, then tap the three dots option of their profile, go to Manage Friendship, tap the option called Remove Friends, and then just tap the remove option to remove them from your friends list. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically remove someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.